Welcome to Türkiye, a land where time bends, history lives in stone, and ancient civilizations whisper their stories through colossal ruins and enigmatic monuments. This is a journey across millennia, a voyage into the heart of human history. Today, we uncovered 10 ancient wonders that will blow your mind. From world-changing archaeological discoveries to relics of empires that shaped civilizations. This is Türkiye. 1. Göbekli Tepe, the world's oldest temple. Our journey begins in southeastern Anatolia, at a place older than the pyramids, older than Stonehenge, older than writing itself. This is Göbekli Tepe, a mysterious sanctuary of carved stone circles built by hunter-gatherers in the 10th millennium BCE, over 12,000 years ago. These massive T-shaped pillars stand arranged in sacred rings, their surfaces etched with animal figures and symbols that defy easy interpretation. Here, deep in the arid plains near modern-day Şanlıurfa, humanity's prehistoric ancestors gathered to worship, to commune, to make sense of the world long before cities, kingdoms, or writing existed. What makes Göbekli Tepe truly breathtaking isn't just its age, it's what it reveals. Complex ritual architecture emerged before agriculture, challenging our understanding of early human society and illuminating the dawn of spiritual life on Earth. 2. Ephesus, the Roman masterpiece. From the prehistoric to the classical, we travel west to Ephesus, one of the most magnificent ancient cities ever built. Once a thriving port on the Aegean, Ephesus was the beating heart of the Roman Empire in Asia Minor. Bustling marketplaces, marble-paved avenues, and grand public buildings all testified of its wealth and power. Pause before the magnificent Library of Celsus, its ornate facade rising as a testament to knowledge and culture. Imagine scholars within reading scrolls by torchlight, a sanctuary of learning over 2,000 years ago. The towering Great Theater once held up to 25,000 spectators, hosting drama, debate, and political speeches that shaped an empire. And nearby once stood the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, a colossal sanctuary of marble and mythos, now remembered only by a solitary column standing against sky. Ephesus speaks to us through its stones, a silent epic of commerce, culture, and grandeur. 3. Pamukkale and Hierapolis, travertine islands of time. Where nature and history intertwine, Pamukkale, the cotton castle, rises. Here, mineral-rich thermal waters cascade down bleached travertine terraces, sculpting frozen waterfalls that glow like marble in the sun. Above these surreal white steps lies the ancient city of Hierapolis, founded in the 2nd century BCE. Walk among Hierapolis's ruins, a grand theater, tomb-lined necropolis, and streets worn by centuries of footsteps. In the Cleopatra Pool, submerged columns lie like coral sentinels beneath warm waters, a swimming experience both refreshing and historic. Pamukkale's landscape is itself a wonder, where the Earth's geology constructed a dream-like canvas that ancient civilizations adopted and revered.
4. Cappadocia, land of fairy chimneys and hidden cities. Next, we float above Cappadocia, a region shaped by ancient volcanic forces and tempered by time. Towering rock pinnacles known as fairy chimneys rise like stone spires, while beneath the surface, entire underground cities hide, carved by early Christians seeking refuge from persecution. The Gourmet Open-Air Museum reveals a labyrinth of rock-hewn churches decorated with vivid Byzantine frescoes, sanctuaries cut from the earth itself. Here, faith and art converge in caves that serve not only as places of worship, but as refuges from the storms of history. And at dawn, hundreds of balloons ascend, their colorful silhouettes casting shadows over valleys that once sheltered ancient civilizations, a poetic reminder that even the sky can be part of Turkey's ancient tapestry. 5. Mount Nemrut, Thrones of the Gods. High atop a remote peak in southeastern Turkey, colossal stone heads, once part of massive seated figures, gaze eternally into the horizon. This is Mount Nemrut, a UNESCO World Heritage Site built by King Antiochus I of Commagene in the 1st century BCE. These monumental sculptures of gods and kings were placed around the royal tomb sanctuary, blending Persian and Greco-Roman cultures in a unique syncretic vision. Watch the sun rise here, and you'll feel the power and mystery of ancient rites, a place where earth, sky, and divinity converge. 6. Troy, legend etched in ruins. On Turkey's northwest coast, time and legend collide in the city of Troy. Troy's archaeological mound reveals 9 superimposed cities, each layer telling a chapter of human settlement across millennia. Here stood the city immortalized in Homer's Iliad, the backdrop of the Trojan War, where Greeks and Trojans battled beneath flaming skies. Walk its walls, and you tread where myth meets history. The replica Trojan horse now stands guard, an iconic reminder of cunning and legend that captures the imagination of millions. 7. Hattusa, the Hittite capital. Journeying into central Anatolia, we discover Hattusa, the mighty capital of the Hittite Empire. Once a rival of ancient Egypt and Assyria, Hattusa's stone fortifications, sacred precincts, and carved lion gates testify to a kingdom that shaped the Bronze Age. Here, rock inscriptions and royal archives were hidden in caves and temples, encoding laws and treaties that echo through time. 8. Pergamon, the high city of culture. Perched on a dramatic hillside, Pergamon was once a beacon of learning and culture. Its steep ancient theater, carved into the rock, once seated thousands, while temples, libraries, and monuments crowned this Hellenistic powerhouse. Walk these ruins and imagine philosophers debating, citizens gathered in forums, and scholars preserving knowledge that would eventually travel across the ancient world. 9. Ani, the city of 1,001 churches. Close to Turkey's border with Armenia lies Ani, the medieval city once called the City of 1,001 Churches. Here, ornate Armenian cathedrals, basilicas, and fortifications whisper of a vibrant crossroads of faith and trade. In its skeletal stone remains, you can feel an entire civilization, its art, devotion, and fading glory frozen in time. 10. Mausoleum at Halicarnassus. Our final wonder isn't standing stone, but memory itself. The mausoleum at Halicarnassus once rose near modern-day Bodrum as one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Although destroyed by earthquakes over centuries, its legacy endures, a monument so exquisite that the very word mausoleum entered our language to describe grand tombs everywhere. From the earliest temples of Göbekli Tepe to towering theaters and legendary cities, Turkey is a tapestry of ancient wonders, each layer a story, each ruin a lesson. This land bridges continents, epochs, and empires. It is the cradle of civilization and the keeper of legends, a place that forever changes the way we see our shared past.